Good evening. There is no shortcut to success, especially when it comes to the examinations like civil services, which are conducted by Union Public Service Commission. You need to have a specific plan, special plan, and an integrated plan. What exactly is that? Most of the people will go for the hard work. But please remember, there should be an integration of hard work and smart work. And that should be coupled with the excellent guidance by excellent faculty members who will provide excellent and qualitative classes. So, when so many excellence will come together, obviously that will lead to a success. In the same manner, we, onlineias.com, we are based in Hyderabad and we operate from Hyderabad. We are into this field for quite many years of time. And when it comes to the online services, we have launched in the year 2014. Now, we would like to announce a batch for IAS 2021, meaning this is the civil services examination which is going to be conducted by UPSC in the year 2021. For that particular batch, the classes have already been begun and we have finished Indian economy for the preliminary examination, environment and ecology disaster management for the preliminary examination. We have also we started CSAT and Indian history for the preliminary examination. Simultaneously, weekly 3 days we are conducting special current affairs for this particular batch. And many times I told you during many seminars that there is a huge importance with respect to current affairs. That is the reason why we are handling current affairs very specially and specifically for IAS 2021 batch. And every subject is being taught in such a way, every concept will be clearer to the students. Plus, we are going to the depth of the subject along with the analysis, and that will be helpful to you more when we reach to the main examination. Currently, the preliminary classes are going on, and the preliminary preparation will be done by October ending. November 1st, from November 1st 2020 onwards, we are going to start for the preparation for the main examination, where it includes the writing descriptive type of answers. So, which is going to be very crucial, and we are going to have a special focus on that. And this seminar by me, I am Kalyan Chakravarti, is basically meant to inform the students across India to know about the steps and strategies and the methods how qualitatively we provide the classes, not just the classes but also material coupled with the so-called practice test. Practice test for the preliminary examination, practice test for the main examination will be provided with the special emphasis and focus. And that is the reason why I suggest all the students who are across India who are seriously interested to go for the civil service examination, please take up this particular opportunity. Kindly make use of this opportunity and start preparation and crack this examination to get selected to the topmost positions in the country like IAS, IPS, IFS, IRS, etc. And this is a great opportunity. And how do you join this particular program? Now, I would like to show you all the details. Kindly have a look at this. So, these are the points which I would like to show you. Look at this. Classes commenced on June 1st, 2020. Complete syllabus for prelims and mains except regional language paper. You all know regional language paper which is present in the main examination, which is qualifying in nature. Different students from different states will opt different languages. That is the reason why, except that, we are going to provide everything including English paper, which is again qualifying nature in the main examination. And we will provide classes every day. The total duration will be 9 months. Every topic will be dealt on par with the standards of the civils examination. And every day you can watch classes after 6 o'clock in the evening. And the course what you are joining, you can watch our classes any number of times. There is no limitation, right? And you can continuously watch all our classes till you finish your main examination of 2021. And our support will continue till you finish your personality test, the so called interview. Along with the classes, we also provide downloadable PDF material after the completion of the respective subjects. As I told you, Indian economy has been done, environment and disaster management also has been done. And for that, material has already been provided to our students. Similarly, when it comes to current affairs, at the end of every month, we are also providing current affairs material to our students. Plus, you will also get non-downloadable periodical practice bits along with the explanation that will be provided to you till the end of the examination. Next, so these are the subjects you have in the preliminary examination. Paper 1 and paper 2, Indian economy, geography, history, environment, ecology and disaster management, science and technology, constitution, polity and governance, current affairs, national and international. These classes will be conducted on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And paper 2, CSAT, has also been launched. When it comes to the main examination, you have papers like this. In general studies, you have 4 papers: GS paper 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you also have another paper that is called a general essay. And with respect to the mains, we are going to commence from November 1st, 2020 onwards. As far as the mains is concerned, our complete focus will be on quality answer writing. Next, you can take a pic of this. You can look at my mobile number. You can take my WhatsApp number. You can also get my mail ID. Please take a pic of this. The actual fees is 1,04,000 rupees including GST. But for the benefit of the students, it has been reduced to 90,000 rupees for both prelims and mains, excluding optional subject. Optional subject will be dealt later, but 90,000 is including GST. Payment can be made in 2 installments. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm, and the number is given over there. This is my number, 9246365622. And after the payment is done, you have to WhatsApp all your details like your name, mobile number, mail ID, state and city. So once we receive this one, within an hour, access will be provided to our classes. What are all the classes that have already been done? All the classes will be provided to you. And please make a note, whatever the coaching we are providing, that is in English medium only. I repeat, English medium only, no other medium we are offering. And after you join, our all communication will be through mail. And of course, we have the WhatsApp groups, and you will be added to that WhatsApp groups for the regular and continuous communication. Right? So kindly take a pic of this. Now I would like to show you our site. This is our site, onlineias.com. You can go to this menu bar and move towards the right of the screen. You can see you have a current affairs special batch. If you want, you may join only for the current affairs batch. If you want to join only for the prelims, you can join the prelims. If you want to join only for the main examination, you are most welcome. But my suggestion is that if you want to go with the preparation very effectively, I want you to take up the course for both preliminary and main examination. And it has to go hand in hand. Right? Anybody who wants to join, you can please have a look at my seminar which is already given here. And you can enroll through online. You can pay through credit card, debit card, net banking, or easy method. You can use Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm, and after you join you will be provided with the access. Am I clear? And for all queries and everything, you are most welcome to join me. So you may give me a call and or you may drop a message through WhatsApp. I will be very happy to give you the response. But take a quick decision, join as early as possible and start your preparation to be there in the top list of IAS 2021. Thank you so much. I wish you all very, very good luck. Take care and stay safe. Thank you so much.